What we've got here is failure to communicate.
A couple of weeks ago, I released all of my code that used to be on Codeplex to GitHub, and it took me a while because a lot of the programs had links to themselves. I know DB Compare was very popular on Codeplex, it had about 15 or 20,000 downloads in 7 years or something like that. Datajuggler.net was also very popular, and I wish I was a capitalist and my goal was to destroy retail in this country. I'd be more like this guy.
Hair slows you down. Not having hair saves 43.2 seconds per day.
But I'm going to go and somebody just download to my code. Tell me you hate it. If you hate it, I'll stick to animation. It's kind of more fun. It's just expensive. And before I go, I'll show you a very quick preview of DB Compare just because I've made some other videos about it. But basically all you do is give it 2 connection strings. I have some other videos. I'm going to remake them already, but there's already a couple on YouTube now. But basically you just give it 2 connection strings and hit compare. If there were any schema differences, they would be reported for you. My database is going to be up to date here, so this is a pretty boring video. But I wanted to just give you a preview of this is what Datajuggler.net looks like, or I mean DB Compare. Excuse me. There's a bunch of programs all in the repo. So I'm going to go. I have to go to work now, but and that's my dog. I got to wake him up. He's breathing in the background. But all right. Thanks, Reddit. Have a good day.